Imagine a world where fleets of autonomous drones, guided by AI, swoop into disaster zones within minutes, delivering life-saving aid with precision and speed. This is no longer science fiction. Recent breakthroughs in artificial intelligence have enabled drone swarms to revolutionize emergency response. These drones communicate and coordinate in real time, creating a dynamic network that can map disaster areas, identify survivors, and deliver essential supplies even when roads are blocked or infrastructure is down. Unlike traditional rescue methods, AI-driven swarms adapt instantly to changing conditions, navigating debris, weather, and obstacles without human intervention. This technology was recently tested in large-scale simulations, where AI-coordinated drones reduced search times by over 50% and delivered critical aid faster than ever before. Experts believe this could save countless lives during earthquakes, floods, and wildfires. The impact is huge: faster rescues, safer missions, and a smarter, more connected response to crises. The future is already here. Subscribe to Sapiens AI channel.